about to get some bad thunderstorms over here. I got home just in time. I got home a few minutes ago. When I was coming up the hill, I could see lightning all across the sky, and the thunder was super loud. And then within a few minutes of getting in the house, it started pouring, and then it stopped, and now it's getting real dark out. And the weather map was showing a pretty big cell coming overhead. I no longer have access to the weather map because I need to turn off the electricity because it was browning out. So I just turned the mains off because that can really do some damage to equipment. So no electricity for now. I don't know if it actually went out or not. Actually, no, I don't think it went out because the lights on my neighbor's deck are still on, so it must have come back. I think it might go out though. It was getting pretty flaky. If it does go out, I'm gonna have to put the generator on because it's too hot. It's 87. Yep, there's the lightning. The clouds are moving fast. This is why I always keep good batteries in the unit here. Because this is still working now. Whoa, I just saw the lightning bolt right in the sky there. It's getting windy. I did bring in some of the plants from the deck. Wow. I don't know if that picked up on the video. That was right down to the tree line.
New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Fairfield County, southwestern New Haven County, until 8 p.m. At 7:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Monroe, or near Shelton, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Milford and Shelton around 7:25 p.m. Woodbridge around 7:35 p.m. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud to ground lightning during this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
I wonder if the power went out. The street lights should be on by now. It's getting really dark out. Well, if it goes out, it goes out. I got the generator, I got gas, I got batteries. There's the rain. Geez, I hope we don't get 60-mile-per-hour winds here. It's gonna make a mess of the yard. It's getting windy. Yeah, the rain is coming down. This is when the problem happens, when the rain comes down like this. That's when the garage floods. So we're probably gonna have a garage flood. That's just about overhead now. I believe they say a second, every second of distance between the lightning strike and the thunder is 1 mile. So that's very close by now. I want to move this fan in case if this decides to leak again, it might. Oh, it looks like the electricity is still on. We'll see how much longer that lasts. Last year, actually right around this time, last year on July 4th, that tree over there in the backyard, right behind where the windmill is, that got struck by lightning and it sliced it in half. Should probably consider putting some lightning rods on the house. I don't disconnect the data cables anymore when it thunders because I don't think that fiber optic cable would carry a lightning strike. I don't think that it would. It's just glass. I don't think it conducts electricity. Is there a reason to disconnect the fiber cable? I always used to disconnect the coax cable from the modem if a real bad storm came through, because of course the coax could carry a lightning strike, but I don't think so that the fiber cable can. Is that accurate? Maybe somebody who knows can tell me. Can the fiber cable carry a lightning strike? Now it's getting windy now. It's getting real windy. There's that weather station. Yeah, I don't find that the wind readings on this are quite as accurate as they should be. I think it doesn't refresh quick enough or something. It does need to be moved higher up, but still at the ground, you know, we'll get higher than this. Well, it's saying 8, even though you can't really see it. 8. Keep an eye on the amount of rain that it shows. We'll change it to the rainfall rate. Right now it's a 0.14 per hour. That's going to go up a lot. This is much stronger rain than that. Maybe I'll switch to the other camera, or I'll just leave this one recording somewhere maybe and I'll grab the other camera. Unreal. This is a serious rainstorm. That's not leaking yet. That's nice. I gotta dig out the garage drain again. It's pretty much at capacity. It fills with like silt and stuff over the time, and then it doesn't work right. Yeah, we're gonna get water all in the garage because of that. Can't go out there and clean it now. A little water in the garage sure isn't worth getting struck by lightning. Let's see if we can get that drain in view there. Cool. Oh wow, this is at capacity. Look at that. It's just going right over the... It's just going right over the edge of the gutter there. I wonder if it's clogged. Because the pipe doesn't seem like it's at capacity. Oh, that is not good. Yeah, that's coming right over the side. So for whatever reason, it must be blocked up over there. So maybe that's all the water from the front then. Oh. I'm getting water all in the house here. Not good. It does. Happens when you open the window in a rainstorm. Oh, that is really not good. I wonder if it's leaking in the front at all. Probably not. I bet all the water that we're seeing from that pipe is in the front. Yeah, the front's okay. So it must just be clogged up with something. I don't know, leaves or whatever. Whatever might get in there. I'll have to just run the jetting hose up there and clear it out later. That's annoying. Yeah, I guess that's just all the water from the front then that's coming out over there. That should be all the water from this room. Looks like some leaves pushed out of there. That's probably what's in the other one. It's totally overwhelmed. Well, we'll have to clean that out, and we'll have to clean the gutters out in the back, and that will fix both of those problems. But it's too late this time. The garage is going to be soaking wet. Oh well. .1 inches per hour, or 0.1, pretty much 1 inch an hour is what it's reading. Total of 0.22. That's a lot of rain for a 10-minute storm. Well, that certainly cleared out fast. I don't think it was even 15 minutes. There's already blue sky surfacing through. Right there. Well, yeah, that's clear skies. I guess I'll go put the electricity back on. And we'll have to go assess what kind of flooding is residing in the garage. So check for flooding down here too. We might have some by the door because of the gutter freak show. He usually comes in over here. Nope, no water. Alright, so here's the electricity thing. It's off right now. Nice physical disconnect. Now it's connected. I'll turn all these back on. And the only thing that we have to manually repower back on is the file server here. Hopefully that comes up properly. And then we'll have to go around and set a bunch of clocks and so forth, which is a bit of a pain in the neck, but that's better than replacing air conditioners and other things that broke because of brownouts. The refrigerator came back on. I just look on the weather map and it seems like there is the possibility for another storm to pass through in about a half an hour. Sure cleared out quick. And it wasn't really all that bad. But in case it isn't going to be another storm, we're going to go outside and clear the driveway drain at least. And let's get some cooling in this joint until we got to turn it off again. Cooled off outside, but it's super humid. I only got 0.22 inches of rain apparently. That doesn't seem like very much. Don't look too good over there still, but over here it's perfectly clear. Okay. Yeah, this is definitely clogged. Oh boy. You got sticks and all sorts of stuff in there. What I'm gonna have to do is I'll try to stick the garden hose up there and see if I can unclog it. And then looks nice out now. Feels a lot cooler. And then the problem over here is that actually it's not too bad, but see this sediment builds up in the bottom of the pipe here and it loses capacity. So I have to put a jet through there and get all that out. Sometimes it builds up over here too. Yeah, see, it's built up over here as well. That should fix that. And it 100% totally flooded the garage and all up over here. But that's fine, we'll dry it out, not a big deal. Let's see if we can get that gutter cleaned out before it rains again. Get the grass is all matted down from how quick it was flowing. See it coming down from here. And all this stuff washed down, that washed through, but all these leaves and everything washed through. It's still draining out over there. Must be a lot of water up there. This is not as good as the pressure washer jet, but it's pretty strong. Got it. A lot of water coming in the garage all over on the floor there. And it came over to the carpet, which is, I really hate when it gets on the carpet. Dry out. I don't think it went too far. It only went a few inches, that's not so bad. Crop this up here. It's gonna dry out in a couple hours. Gotta put some fans on. Turn on the dehumidifiers, and now we just wait. Seems to be done raining for now. Think that we might get some more storms overnight, perhaps towards the morning, but we'll deal with that when it comes. So one of the annoying byproducts of turning off the power is that we have to reset all the clocks on everything. So we'll start with this one. We're going to set it to 10:05. Oops. Okay, there we go, 10:06. Now I will call all the telephones, and that should reset most of them. That reset itself. This kind of reset itself. This is 9:29. It's not that far off, but it's certainly not correct.
Time. Set. Cassette. The hour. Cassette. Time. Saturday. 10:08 p.m.
This is a few minutes behind for some reason. That's kind of behind. Well, that's not even charged up anymore.
Send outgoing message.
You.
Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, 2 1 p.m. 8, 9, 10, 25, 25, 35, 45, 55, 05, 10. Saturday, 10 p.m.
Saturday, 9:30 p.m. Saturday, 9, 10, 30, 13 p.m. Saturday, 10:13 p.m.
Means the ground level ozone within the...
Why this will not tell me the time anymore? Well, hopefully that the time is correct. I don't. Oh, there we go. 10:14. That have a battery backup, so it should be correct. Well, I think that's a wrap on the rain and electricity and clock freak show for today. All is quiet for now. We'll see what happens overnight. Other than that, I think all the water is